Welcome back to Tech Avro. Are you running out of hard drive space on your computer while using Google Drive for desktop? Google Drive offers two different ways to store your files locally: streaming and mirroring. Choosing the right option can save you hundreds of gigabytes of valuable disk space on your PC or Mac. Here is how to understand and configure both modes step by step. First, open Google Drive for desktop from your system tray and click the gear settings icon. Select Preferences and click on Google Drive on the left sidebar menu. Under My Drive Syncing options, you will see two choices: Stream Files and Mirror Files. Option 1 is Stream Files, which stores all your files in the cloud only. Files are downloaded on demand only when you open them, using virtually zero hard drive space on your computer. Option 2 is Mirror Files, which downloads a full copy of every cloud file onto your local computer drive. Mirroring lets you access everything offline anytime, but it takes up matching storage space on your hard drive. Select Stream Files if you want to save local disk space, or Mirror Files for offline access. Click the blue Save button at the bottom right corner to apply your preferred sync setting. If this guide helped you optimize your computer storage, please like this video and subscribe to Techavro for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.